All right, gas. If it'll focus, like what the? Gas, check. Expensive, check. Snacks and drinks, check. Half-eaten honey bun, what? Check. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. This episode, I am trying to get lost. That's what I'm gonna do. It's pretty nasty outside today. I mean, it's not as bad as it was a minute ago before I started filming, but of course it stops raining when I show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a long drive up north and see what's up there. I've never been that far up there. Cletus, that's my favorite, Cletus. Anybody know that Eddie Murphy movie? Put it in the comments. I gotta say, I honestly love stuff like this. Check this out. Hey, y'all wanna walk down the road with me? Come on, let's walk down the road. Just kidding, it's a wall. The 4Runner is at it again. Back up a little bit. And this other one I almost crashed looking at. So check this out. Has anybody seen Clifford? Like, for real. That thing is huge. I almost wrecked looking at it. Just check out the size of this thing. This is my hand. Oh, it's a real chain link too. Look at that. I honestly love art. Like, it's one of my favorite things in this world. Like graffiti, just wall art when somebody's painting. It isn't anything crazy. It's just, it's nice.
Spoken to us. It just said, thank you. And it was, thank you for knowing.
Just wanted to get a close-up of this guy right here. Somebody want to pet him? It's a little horsey.
Or what about the little cow right here?
It's even got a little tail. So I have to pee really, really bad. So let's check out this rest area, buddy. Yeah. It's really loud, sorry. This rest area is kind of nice. Got your drinks. Got some coffee. Got some coffee and snacks. Let's look at the map of Virginia. Not gonna lie, I need a dot that says I am here. Oh, look at that.
Mornings just got brighter at Wawa. Blueberry cobbler coffee is...
Got a little accident up in here. Who do you think won? One turned left or one else going straight? Who do you think won? Who got there first? Looks like they got there at the same time. About to go night-night, guys. You see where I'm going? Yeah, that night-night time. Got to take me a little break. Got to stop at the rest area. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, buddy. We are in Maryland. Not a bad view from the press center. Anytime I drive up to a McDonald's and I see this girl, is she famous or something? Does she actually work at McDonald's? That's what I want. Not gonna lie, that's freaking hilarious. Ready for round 2? We made it to New York. All right, so I did a thing. I decided I wanted to come and check out a state park. Check it out. So peaceful right here. You should definitely check out my view. Check this out. Just enjoying a relaxing Sunday. I got a window shade in that window. There's a little bird in the tree right there. Do you see him? A little fan blowing on me on low. Just pulling that air in and out. In that one and out that one.